Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the sleek world of the Huawei Matebook X Pro, where elegance meets performance. Buckle up, because this laptop is about to redefine your digital experience. The Matebook X Pro boasts a Mirandi blue, white, and black metallic body with a unique matte finish. It's not just eye candy, it's a tribute to timeless oriental beauty. Plus, at just 980 grams, it's lighter than a feather, perfect for on-the-go warriors. The screen is 14.2 inches diagonally, but the actual display area is slightly smaller due to rounded corners. It has a 3120 by 2080 resolution with 264 ppi. The refresh rate is set to 60 Hz by default, but can be increased to 120 Hz depending on the app. It boasts a 1,000,000.1 contrast ratio for vivid visuals. Under the hood, the 15th Gen Intel Core Ultra 7 processor's 155H flexes its muscles. It's not just fast, it's Evo certified. Blazing fast file transfers, nimble multitasking, and seamless performance. Super Turbo Mode. Born fast, stays fast. Say goodbye to overheating woes. The Matebook X Pro's smart heat dissipation module keeps things cool and quiet, even during marathon work sessions. No distracting fan noise, just pure productivity. The battery is made of lithium polymer and has a rated capacity of 70 watt-hour. With 16 gigabytes of memory and a lightning-fast 1 TB NVMe PCIe SSD, this laptop handles your data like a pro. No more waiting, just instant access to your files. Enjoy a multi-touch touchpad with Huawei Free Touch, built-in Huawei Share, and a comfortable 1.5mm key travel. The full-size backlit chiclet keyboard and fingerprint power button add convenience and security. The Free Touch trackpad supports 8 intuitive gestures. It's like having a magic wand for navigation. Swipe, pinch, and tap your way to efficiency. Enjoy blazing fast connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E, subject to regional availability and network conditions. This feature can be added via OTA updates when available, supported by 2x2 MIMO technology for enhanced performance, and with Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. The Huawei Metalane antenna ensures robust signal reception, while the 360-degree sound pickup and 6 speakers and 4 microphones guarantee crystal clear audio during video calls or movie nights. So whether you're a creative professional, a student, or a multitasking wizard, the Huawei Matebook X Pro is your ticket to ultra-premium computing. Click that link in the description to explore more details and make an informed decision. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.